You do not need followers, expensive equipment, or sponsorship deals in order to make money on TikTok. I've done over 7 figures online before I even reached 100,000 followers, and I made my first $1,000 before I even had 10 followers. Most people think we need millions of followers and we need to be copying all of the big time gurus in order to make a penny online, but it's not true. If you have a mobile phone, the will to record and talk about something that you're interested about, I'm happy to tell you, you can make money on TikTok. My name is Marty Englander and I have a step-by-step video training on how anyone can make passive income with TikTok. I outline my entire process from A to Z. Just check the link in the description for more information. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 7 done for you make money apps that you can start utilizing today. If you don't have a product or an offer, try Reap. This tool lets you take existing long form videos and all you need to do is put the URL into this tool and it will find the most viral elements of that video, turn them into short form video, and then you can download them and create compilation videos, opinion or reaction videos. These build up huge amounts of views, meaning you can start generating income with ad revenue or use it to drive all of these views to offers or affiliate products that you're currently promoting. If coming up with viral video script and hooks is problematic for you, you need ViralScript AI. You'd grab a random viral hook from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or just anything you see online. Add it into the tool, click generate, and now you have 30 days worth of viral ideas, hooks, and script that you can start using for your own videos, or you can actually start selling these scripts to other content creators. AI Fun Pages taps into this killer niche of kids coloring pages. This app creates epic coloring pages for kids that you can quickly create, download, put into a PDF file, and then showcase them on TikTok. And if you upload the PDF files to, let's say, Etsy or an online store, you can generate lots and lots of sales, and it makes parents and kids really happy. Next is the Creator Search Insight that's actually built directly in TikTok, completely free. This tool shows you topics that TikTok is in desperate need of. Because they need more videos about these topics, if you create a video all about the specific topic, TikTok will prioritize that video and send you lots and lots of traffic. So as long as the video contains decent information, you can rapidly grow your profiles, which in turn gets more eyeballs on what it is you want them to see. Finally, Canva. Did you know you can create videos inside Canva? Here's how you can do it. Go to your Canva dashboard, click design, choose a format TikTok video, choose a template, click on the elements, and when done, press publish. You can have 10 videos done in 10 minutes. It can be incredibly overwhelming knowing where to start making money on TikTok. This is specifically why I created Passive Income with TikTok. This is a step-by-step micro-based video training that will walk you through the entire system that I use that's personally generated over 7 figures in sales. It's the fastest way to getting your first $1 online and scaling it all the way up to 5,000 plus per month. Now I'm generally curious, which tool out of these 5 tools was your favorite? Leave a comment below.